Okay, so in the previous video, we have inserted the data like meta tags and the title and the link to the style sheets within the head. Here we will add the semantic sectioning tags like header. Oh, let me to get the spelling right. Header need to finish with a forward slash. And then we are going to have three sections. And those sections are going to contain a class and ID name. But we are going to have three sections, and the three sections are going to be called with a class name parallax, and ID is going to be, for the first one, part 1, and this section tag need to close. Okay, so why not copy and paste? All right, but then make part 1 and part 3. Normally giving them a unique name, but meaningful name would be better. ID has to be unique. Parallax, the class name has to be can be shared between elements. Okay, so header section. The last one would be footer. You don't just copy what I'm doing, you do your own layout strategy, and you plan that, and then you write the semantic tags to contain the content for yourself, and then add the contents. So within the header, we are going to add within the header we will add the logo. Okay, and first using the img tag and src, the logo file name, I need to get it right. I cannot make a mistake. So because I cannot afford to make a mistake, I am going to copy it rather. Highlight, copy, come here and paste it. And title, it's good to have a title, and this would be like when you put the mouse over it, it actually gives you that it reads for you. And for example, if I say King Jacob broadcasting logo, and how about then we give it alt tag, and within a quotation mark. I know it may be long, but what has to be done has to be done. Your website needs to be accessible even for blind people, so this alternative text is useful. Even if someone without the capability to view the image look at the website, we it would be useful. When you create a business website, you are obliged to make the website responsive, and one of the main ways is to add alternative texts. So after adding the logo, then the next part is within the header we will add the nav. All right, and it would be the nav, and within the nav, what are we going to contain? We are going to, within the nav, we have the UL tag, start and finish, but we need to be clear what pages we are going to include. So how about we actually do some work on that. Okay, if we write a list of bullet points, we need so the page itself is called King Aga Broadcasting. It's always important to proofread your work. Make sure you actually publish without a spelling mistake. And alright, so if I add home, and the trick is to actually proofread it. Anyone can make a mistake. And let's say we are going to have contents about UK and Eritrea, education in general, and politics, online TV, radio, music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gallery. Okay, so let's say if this is our plan, then we could actually create, look at this, we can create a nice pictorial plan using insert and smart art and hierarchy. Right, oh, okay, how about if we put into here, but delete the parts that we don't need, we need to edit. Oh, so we are going to make a navigation for this one, but how about we keep this video shorter, and perhaps I show you that in the next video. So we have added the header. Inside the header we have the logo, and then we have the nav and the UL, but the other details let me show you in the next video so that we keep it shorter. So in here we have added the main containers, then the header, and within the header the logo and the nav, but the content of the nav need to be finalized. The sections, 3 sections are inserted, and then we need to add more contents into each of them. However, if we save this page at this stage and complete the video, so it may make it manageable. Thank you very much. Do not forget to as usual to give a like and write good comments, only good comments. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.